Lawyers representing Dr. Kizza Besigye in a case in which he is accused of inciting violence in 2022 alongside activist Samuel Lubega Mukaaku turned up at Buganda Road Chief Magistrates Court in the capital Kampala on time to know the fate of their client's case. Led by Arias Lukwago, the lawyers were accompanied by family, relatives and supporters of the accused persons. When all was set for the court session to commence, only one of the accused persons, Mukaaku, was in the dock. His co-accused person, Dr. Besigye, was nowhere to be seen.
Counsel for the accused person says we should explain. You know, the prisons, the person was remanded to prisons. So they are better placed to inform us why they haven't produced him.
However, defense lawyers contended that Besigye is being held unlawfully by the state, explaining that after the Supreme Court ruled that the trial of civilians in the General Court-Martial is unconstitutional, their client should have been out of prison by now. Besigye has been on remand in Luzira Maximum Security Prison for nearly 4 months on charges related to national security and unlawful possession of firearms, but his lawyers say his detention is unlawful.
The remand warrant, which had earlier on been issued by the General Court-Martial, expired on that.
And just as the legal battle was getting hotter, a letter was delivered to the presiding magistrate, Winnie Nancha.
I have just received communications from Uganda prisons, and their communication is to the essence that Dr. Kizza Besigye himself declined to attend court. There's a letter attached from him, and it says it's to inform you that I'm currently indisposed and unable to attend court today.
Defense lawyers requested to be given time so they could verify the authenticity of the letter, a matter that resulted in the adjournment of the case.
The matter has been adjourned for mention to the 14th of February 2025 at 10 a.m. A production warrant shall issue.
Tomorrow by midday, all of us, the lawyers, will have to assemble there and see if we can access him, do our due diligence as the magistrate suggested, and establish the state of affairs regarding his health and the reasons as to why they have not brought him here.
Meanwhile, Besigye's close allies claim that he is on hunger strike and that his health is deteriorating, but NTV could not independently verify this information.
What then happens if somebody is sick, if somebody is not eating, if somebody is on strike, if somebody can't come to court? What next? And so we demand from the state that we be told on what is going to happen.
Daniel Kibet, NTV.